Hello, everyone. This is he, him, and his part 2. Today we'll be practicing using him in sentences. Repeat each sentence after me. Soon you'll sound like a native speaker of American English. You can pause the video if you need more time to practice, or you can watch it again. Practice speaking English every day, or read along as much as possible. Him is a third person singular, meaning one person, who is a male. It's when someone is talking about one person who is not yourself, but is a third person, or can be an animal. Yes, I have to say this in every video, just in case the person is only watching this one. Okay, let's practice some sentences with him. Let's go. He threw him the ball. His wife gave him a cup of coffee. He hugged him tightly. His friend gave him a high five. His girlfriend made him some pizza. She helped him with the gardening. She told him a secret. She listened to him play the guitar. He thanked him for his help. I took him to school. Dad gave him a kite. She showed him her new scooter. His son ran with him. She gave him ice cream. He took him fishing. Pam asked him to read her a book. Beth told him she loves him. She took him for a walk. He taught him a new trick. Pam walked to school with him. That's all for today. Good job. Don't forget to watch part 1, he and his, and part 3 for him, he, his together practice. Also, don't forget to try part 4 to test yourself and see if you've got it. Thank you for practicing with me. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to find me again in case you haven't yet. See you soon. Bye-bye.